Today I am going to show you all how to make chicken keema and matar veg, minced chicken meat with peas. So please note down the ingredients for this. Here I have taken half a kg 500 grams of minced chicken meat. This is keema. 3 to 4 chopped onions, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger, grated or crushed ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic, chopped or crushed. Here 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4-5 cloves. This is cinnamon sticks, this is dalchini, cloves is long, and 2-3 crushed green cardamoms, that is choti ilaichi. Here I have 2 bay leaves, that is tej patta, 2 to 3 green chilies, lemon juice of 1 to 1.5 lemon. Then here we have salt to taste, red chili powder according to taste, then cumin seeds, this is jeera, dhania powder, coriander powder. Then here we have turmeric powder, this is haldi powder, 1/4 to half a teaspoon. Then here we have dry fenugreek leaves, this is kasuri methi. Then tomato puree of 3 to 4 tomatoes, green peas boiled 1 cup, and here I have some fresh green coriander for garnishing. So now we'll start making our keema matar. Friends, in a pan I have heated 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and now in this we will add 1 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and also these whole spices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, crushed green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves, and just for a minute you fry this, and then we'll add an onion. Now we will saute these onions till they are golden brown in color. It is going to take 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat, and then after that we'll add our other dry spices. So friends, here our onion is done, it is caramelized nicely. Now we will add this garlic. Also we'll add in our ginger, crushed ginger, mix it nicely. Now we will add, along with this, we will add this keema, minced meat. And now 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. See, again, chili and salt, it has to be according to your taste. You can adjust these things as per your taste. Coriander, 2 teaspoons. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. If you want more, you can add more. Then here tomato puree, mix all the things. Now we will put in some water and let this chicken keema, this minced meat, to cook. Now we will cover this. We had added approximately half a cup to 1 cup. You can add according to your quantity. And now we will cover it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. In between we will stir it once or twice, and then after 8 to 10 minutes I will show you how our keema looks like. Friends, here now, after approximately 10 to 12 minutes, in between I had come and I had stirred it once. See, our keema looks like this. Now in this we will also add a green chili. See, this is again optional. If you like to eat spicy and little bit this flavor of green chili, if you like, then only you add it. Otherwise this is optional. So here green chilies. Also I will add our peas, boiled peas, and now our lemon juice. We will also add some green coriander in this veg and mix it, and we'll keep some for garnishing. So now, see, now at this stage you can taste your masalas, and if you want you can adjust your salt and chilies accordingly. And now if you want to make a little gravy, you can add water. Otherwise, if you want to serve it dry, you can serve it dry. But I'm going to add little water, half a cup approximately, and I'll let it come to a boil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll take it out because our chicken keema is ready. This gets cooked very soon. Doesn't take much time since it is minced meat. So approximately, I think at the most 15 minutes maximum, and this keema gets tender. So now let this come to a boil, and for 2 minutes I'll simmer it, and I'm going to take it out in a dish. And here our chicken keema and peas veg is ready. Now the last ingredient, that is our kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. This is left. We will add this also, mix it, and take this dish out in a bowl to serve. Here friends, I have taken out our keema matar in a bowl to serve. See how nice, how tempting it is looking. So hope you will all try this recipe, as it is very simple and very easy to make. You can serve it with any type of rotis, lachha paranthas, tandoori roti, naan, or any types of breads. Even with paos it tastes really good. So you should all try this recipe at home and enjoy this keema matar. And we can now here garnish it again with a little bit of green dhania. So here, try this recipe out and enjoy your keema matar. Thank you friends.